welcome back to my channel. Right now I'm going to be setting up a new backdrop that I'm going to be using for my future videos. I'm going to be doing some fairy lights, so if you guys are interested in seeing how I set those up, just keep watching. Okay, so I already have the curtains hung, and then I just connected the Christmas lights to nails behind the curtain rod directly. I spaced them about 6 inches apart so that they wouldn't be too bunched up, and then stretched them vertically as much as they would stretch before I added them to the next nail, if that makes sense. Thank you guys so much for watching my fairy lights DIY. If you're interested in more videos like these, just leave me a comment down below and I'll see what I can do. Bye guys.